Hey everyone, this is Jim, producer of the Around the House Show podcast. If you're listening right now, you already know we bring you the best tips, tricks, and expert advice to fix, upgrade, and maintain everything in your home without the headaches or the huge bills. But if you're catching us on the radio or borrowing a friend's phone, you're missing out on new episodes dropping straight to your device every week. So do yourself a favor, hit pause for just a second, grab your phone, and subscribe to Around the House Show on your favorite podcast player. Whether it's Apple Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube Music, or wherever you listen. It's completely free, and you'll never miss an episode again. Thanks for supporting the show. Now let's get back to making your house work for you. Hold on tight. We have a great Around the House show coming up this weekend. Help us out and subscribe on your favorite podcast player.
With May rolling in and summer barbecues right around the corner, Eric G is dropping the ultimate home improvement episode you need this weekend. He kicks it off with a no BS deck inspection masterclass because nobody wants surprise splinters, wobbly railings, or an ER trip while flipping burgers. He covers spotting soft spots, spongy wood, sneaky rot, loose railings, and why nails are not your friend. Plus exactly how to fasten everything rock solid for the whole summer. He also shares pro tips on keeping yellow jackets and sugar ants in check and why ventilation matters more than ever right now. Practical advice, witty banter, and laughs guaranteed. Grab your tools and a cold drink. This Saturday's episode turns your backyard into summer paradise. New episode drops Saturday. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it.
We were talking here a little bit about some of the pests, but this is the time of year in my area, and of course, everybody's different across the country. I get the yellow jackets, hornets, wasps, those things get crazy around here.
Hey everyone, navigating home design can feel like assembling IKEA furniture without instructions. Frustrating and confusing, right? In the next hour, Eric G teams up with John Dudley and designer Wendy Glaister for a lively masterclass on hiring the right designer and making the whole process a breeze. They reveal why finding a designer whose vibe perfectly matches yours is everything. Wrong fit equals major stress. How to avoid the common pitfalls that can derail your dream project, and why clear communication and teamwork between designer and contractor is the real secret, whether you hire one first or the other. It's all about creating a beautiful home that truly reflects who you are. Grab your favorite drink and settle in. This hour turns confusion into confidence.
That would have been much smarter for the homeowner to have that conversation early on than to drop that multiple hand grenade in the middle of a job site walk.
Yeah, that's an issue. Never ran into that one.
I have a client who introduced me to her nanny.
All that and more on Saturday's Around the House show with Eric G. We have a huge announcement with our brand new Around the House YouTube channel. Check it out at Around the House HQ, and the link will be down in the podcast player notes. New videos, all in 4K quality, all ready for you to watch and learn from the best people in the industry. If you work in the trades or construction or design business, check out the Around the House Pro Insider podcast. That is back. Just find it on your favorite podcast player. If you want to hear more, listen right here on this podcast player to find out the answers. That's a wrap, folks. Another wild ride of home maintenance mayhem and project starting swagger in the books. Huge thanks to our awesome audience for tuning in. You're the real MVPs, keeping us on air while we dodge rogue ladders and those ancient website crashes. Catch you this Saturday for more laughs, tips, and maybe a few questionable DIY decisions. Until then, keep your hammers swinging and your Wi-Fi strong. See you soon.
Hey, it's Eric G with Around the House. Are you looking to grow your business? Need a spokesperson for your company? Maybe an MC for an upcoming trade show? Or maybe you want to up your game and shoot some promotional videos? My team of experts would love to chat with you. Head to AroundTheHouseOnline.com and fill out the Contact Us form, and we'll set something up. Thanks for listening to Around the House.